How to reset Marcus account password. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Do you guys want to change Marcus or password? If so, this video is for you. So let's get started. First step, simply search for Marcus by Goldman Sachs account. Then head over to this homepage right here. Now all you have to do is tap on the login page on the top right and it will redirect you to the login page. So while this loads, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's continue. After you're here, what you'll then need to do is simply tap on create or reset password. After you do that, enter out your email address and then follow along with the prompts. They will send you a verification code or a link. Simply tap on the link or copy the code and paste it here. Then simply follow with the prompts again and your account or password will get reset. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.